everyone, and welcome to Tracy's Florida Homestead. I am Tracy Anderson. I am the co-owner. I am the creator and the main spokeswoman for this site. Today we are taping from beautiful Tampa, Florida, where we live, in this beautiful house that will be sold in 4 months when we retire. When we retire, we'll be heading towards Hardee County, Florida, which is down in central Florida. And we have acquired some land to build a homestead. This channel will be a video log of all of the things that we do to build our homestead from the ground up. Building the home, laying the foundation, and everything that goes into it. The good, the bad, and all the tips that we can give out according so you don't make the mistakes we do. Our channel will also include a wide variety of homesteading topics. Gardening, aquaponics, hydroponics, animal rescue. We will also have home and kitchen crafts such as wax and candle making, soap making, crafts, beekeeping, and a whole lot more. We will have DIY tips on how to transform your landscaping with just a minimal amount of money on a budget. We will give you tips on how you can financially find places that are very affordable for a budget and things you can do on a budget. So we hope you enjoy this channel. We hope you come back and visit us again. And if you think you might like the content that we are about to share, please hit the subscribe button at the bottom and don't forget to hit the bell, because then you'll be notified of all of our new videos. Also, if you would like to leave a comment in the section below, please do. We enjoy all feedback. We hope you have a very safe and healthy rest of 2020, and we hope to see everybody back in 2021. Have a very blessed day.